Hello everyone! Do you own smart home gadgets and wish to manage them all through Mi Home directly from your PC? In this video, we will demonstrate how to fully utilize the application right on your computer. Enjoy the content. To run the app directly on your computer, we're going to use an emulator. You can download it right from our website. Once it's ready, just download Mi Home inside the emulator and launch it. Let's sign up to unlock all the features. You can also just log in if you already have an account. Now you can easily add any device in just a few minutes and manage your smart home right from your computer. Also, right from here, you can check out their built-in store and grab something new if you want. Don't forget to check out the app settings if you want to customize everything to your liking. Thank you for checking out this quick guide. I really hope it helped you get the answers you needed.